Haitian men no good.
Toujours. Moi, même, je m'entendais ça, oui, mais il n'a pas fait sens.
Non, il a fait sens, mon cher. Comment faire? Même chaque dame, moi, je ne sais pas comme ça.
Je suis madame, moi, mais comment faire? Je ne pas temps pour l'autre femme.
C'est ça.
Tout les gars qui me connaissent, c'est bon, mon Dieu.
C'est exactement, c'est ça, je dis. Pour venir sur moi, every lady you see,
Je ne mets pas bon, il y en a toutes dames, il y en a toutes quelques dames. Bon, je me sortir, hein. Je ne pas même guetter pour moi l'autre femme parce que tout côté mal, do you know Jesus? Do you know Mbagetan?
It's crazy business. Crazy business. It don't make sense. It don't make sense. Okay?
Ok. Nous tous les deux, madame. Ok. Vous travaillez, pas vrai? Nous take care from you.
I'm the best guys. Eh
bien.
Côte dame, non?
Girl upstairs, oui, qui te mal cherché. Comment?
Even to the side, like a mermaid.
Yeah, like a swoop to the side.
Yes, and then the details too in the back with everything with the from the train, exactly.
Yes.
Bonsoir, madame.
Hello.
Bonsoir. Comment est là?
We're good.
Hey, okay.
Actually, yes. Give me 1 second. I just have to grab something in the office, and then I'll be right back. Okay. Yes. For your tuxedo.
Oui.
Yes.
Okay. Ladies.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much for stopping by today.
Oh, anytime.
Yes. So I'll be showing you different type of tuxedo collections we have.
Sure, you can faire ça or you got a numéro.
Well, you're already here, so let me go ahead and show you, and then of course you can always come back.
Oh, I'm like, okay.
But anyway, girl, your dress
is
amazing. Like, this has to be it. This is it.
Yeah.
This is it.
It's beautiful.
This is it.
It's nice.
Oh my God.
I like it.
Hi. Yes, hi. How are you?
Hi. Everybody okay? Everybody okay?
Yeah, we're fine. We're
That's
just shopping.
You got boyfriend?
I mean, I'm clearly getting married. I'm in a
What? I don't know, because that's a hope to maybe
to get married. Girl, don't worry about him. Let's fix his dress.
Okay, so go ahead, come on in. Okay. Yes, go ahead, come on in. I'll go ahead and show you the different collections we have.
Okay.
And we'll go from there. So
this is nice. Okay.
Thank you so much for coming to see us.
No problem.
So much
Okay.
again
You
for
sit down
coming.
right here?
No, I'll sit right here. It's
Oh,
okay,
but
it's okay.
you're so far away.
No, it's good. Just make sure we kind of go over everything.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, if that you can fix it.
I think she got it. I think she got it.
No, I know, but I got that too, maybe.
Yeah.
No, what? What's your?
What's the problem?
Huh?
She's trying to get fitted for her wedding dress.
No, I know that, but maybe let me tell you, I got a friend, man. He don't like to buy the dress like that, but she buy that for. That's funny. It's a joke, right? It's funny. I'm funny, guys. Yeah. So I got a friend that like.
So we have different items, not only just for the brides. Take care of the men.
That's
nice
right.
collections. Nice collections.
So
for
I think we can have a drink to celebrate, a good time. Eh?
Well, this is not what we're here for. So let's go ahead and
Baby, I'm here for you, baby.
Okay, well, this is not that kind of business, unfortunately. So I do have a bride waiting on me, but for now, because we're not getting anywhere at this point.
Oh no, I want to get somewhere with you then. Come on.
No. Nous pas là pour faire ça business. But merci un peu, though. Merci un peu.
À pas prendre dehors.
Non, on allait, nous pas mettre dehors. Mais on fait apportement et puis l'on font décision qui collection en
Your téléphone number.
Na pédo. Bien sûr.
C'est
561.
Be careful.
870-0050. Thank you.
Marilo.
Thank you. Bye. Ooh.
Hey, allez. Let's go.
I got. Ça. Ah bon, mon cher.
Même d'où femme t'a forcé sur moi. OK? Il a forcé sur moi son nèg m'doit pas moi non, pas
Ah mais c'est bon Dieu fait bon Dieu fait au point parce que
bon.
madame ouais.
Mais regardez, call my number, call me baby. M'pa
oh ou même bon do ça qui font en l'air t'a fait OK boss il gon robe wedding dress oui m'di madame non you look nice in your wedding dress comme non dit oh I don't care I want you to be my husband. I want you to be my husband.
Comment femme fait dans l'état comme ça?
Mon cher, attendez. OK. Moi femme ça yo a fait bail comme ça, me quitter yo. OK? Parce que ça moi en l'air, m'pas tap jamais. Pas tap jamais.
Let do la moyen. Oh baby, let's do a wedding together. I'm give you good price. Bon. I'm the wife baby. I'm the wife.